This lovely looking shrub is called Colquitzia amabilis, aka the beauty bush, and I think I can see why it is given that name. It has lovely flowers, quite similar to Abelia. Very, very pretty. It's already sending up some lovely new shoots, actually really quite tall new shoots, which should flower next year. It has done incredibly well here. It was a donation about, I don't know, maybe 6 years ago. Somebody donated it 6 or 7 years ago, and it's taken off. It had done nothing in her garden, apparently, but it's fabulous here. It just looks so wonderful. There's a lot of rather messy grass. It always gets like this after the daffodils, before we can really mow everything down. I have done a bit of mowing to tidy it up. Now this is a lovely young tree. It's called a Japanese emperor oak, Quercus dentata, I beg your pardon, pinnatifida, Japanese emperor oak. But isn't it lovely? Bought that several years ago from a lovely nursery at Evesham called Cotswold Garden Flowers. Really good nursery, and it does mail order. I've trimmed the grass a bit around the standing stone because it was becoming a little bit enveloped. But I've left patches of grass because it's full of not only buttercups but these lovely little veronicas, speedwells. Oh, and still a few violets around. I don't know where it's come from, but we have an allium in the middle of all this. Purple-headed allium. And we have, I always leave them when I see them, little cowslips. The standing stone is basking in some light. It's got lots of lichen all over it, which I think is very fetching, very attractive. It glistens a bit in the sunshine. Purple-leaved elder is looking quite handsome, and there are lots of alliums in this bed behind the standing stone, which we have to protect from critters at the moment still. And a quick look at the rockery. If I do it quickly, or semi-quickly, you won't see the weeds. But it does look quite stunning. And to think it was once just a mass of stinging nettles and brambles. That little Veronica speedwell is very fetching. And it looks particularly good now that the pink helianthemum has opened a lot more flowers. In fact, there are 2 which I've grown from seed, so 2 different shades. There. With the sun now, it's lovely. Hear that lovely bird? Teacher, teacher, teacher.